Hey, I haven't done any posts for a while. I've been really super busy. And when I do find the time, I want to type something and there's noise and I always get disturbed. We were at Costco the other day and I seen a GoPro, the Hero 9 Black. It was on sale and I said, oh, why not? I need some more media on the website, and this will encourage me to do video posts instead. And so here I am. I want to give you guys a highlight of Caleb and I's canoe trip, our first father-son canoe trip. So have a look and I hope you enjoy.